Do you know there is an AI training company currently hiring Africans? Yes, you've heard it right. Atlas is currently hiring Africans to train their robotics, and all you need is to create an account. No proxy, no US details or UK details are required. All you need is to click the link on the description below, join my Telegram group for answers. Answers are on my Telegram channel and the link is on the description below. So all you need is to create an account and do a short assessment and then get started. It's not complicated. You can work from the comfort of your home to train AI robotics. If you want to get updates on companies hiring people to train AI, all you need to do is subscribe to this channel so that you can get notification wherever I upload a new video. And without wasting time, let us begin. Atlas is an AI train platform where you train robotics on how to perform human-like tasks. And so you need to use the link on the description to create yourself an account. This is my account, and before Atlas was paying $2.5 an hour. That is about $0.04 dollars per minute, and then later it started paying $0.1 per minute, and now 2x standard room surge pricing, it will start paying $0.2 per minute. So I think Atlas is an account worth trying because as time goes by, they are increasing the pay. So if you want to join Atlas, use the link on the description, and I will send you the answers on my Telegram channel. For those of you who have already joined there, you can tell that the answers are good, and I'm going to send them there. So without wasting time, let us review this site. This is the dashboard. You can see welcome Stanley. Here is what you need to start earning. This is my second account. I have not yet completed the training, but on my other account I already completed, but I wanted to use this account because there is something I want to show you about referrals. You can still make money without working by referring your friends, and the moment they earn something, Atlas will in return pay you. So this is the dashboard. 2x standard room surge pricing $0.2 per minute. It was $0.1. Now for me to start getting this 0.2 per minute, I'll need to do a skill assessment and quiz system. So once I click view quizzes, we will see this is skill assessment. Take quizzes to unlock paid work. Trial quiz required to begin paid work. Trial quiz demonstrate your labeling skills to unlock paid work. It is only 3 episodes and you need to pass by 65%. Then once you pass after review and get 65% and above, you will start working. How quizzes work: complete quiz episodes by labeling segments accurately. Your answers are compared against verified ground truth. Trial quiz can be retrieved immediately if you don't pass. Review your answers after each attempt in quiz history. So once you do the quiz, you will start getting paid $0.2 a minute. So you will be given your certifications here, easy mode training, standard labeling and stuff, and the skill assessment is here. So the answers are on the Telegram channel. If you want, you can join the channel. The link is on the description, and start working. We have learning hub. If you want to start working and you don't have the required skills, you can use the learning hubs. Once you start working and click task, you will be able to choose which project to work on. We have training required here: easy label mode, goal oriented, designed for accuracy and simplicity, descriptive sentences not commands, focus on what task is done not how, no assumptions or infer intent, accuracy over detail, simplicity over complexity. Then there is this standard label room, classic annotation workflow, designed for precision and detail, classic point by point annotation, atomic action based labeling, higher precision, slower controlled page structure. So if you pass the assessment and click enter mode, you are entering the standard label room, precise annotation, atomic label structured approach. So you'll need to continue to the room and complete training to access labeling task. Because I have not yet completed my training, that's why my task section is locked. So if you go back to training, you'll be able to do the easy mode training and standard label training. And also in future they will bring liberal agency and auditor certification. So guys, Atlas is an account or worth trying, because with time I can see future in this account. Then after the task, there is this section of referrals. You can see I created a video last month, and since then I've been able to refer 194 people, and out of these 69% of them, not 69%, but 69 out of these 194 have been able to complete their training. And also out of their earning, I've been able to earn $16.13. This is 5% of the first month payouts. You see, referral, share your referral codes and earn 5% of the first month approved payout from users you refer. So I have not yet started working on the account, but out of my referrals I have managed to earn 16.13. This is a significant amount of money, because I'm getting it without doing anything. So guys, you can create your account, refer and share with your friends to increase your chances of earning. So the link is on the description. You can click and join my Telegram channel for answers. Then the payment section, manage your payments method and review your earnings. Payment overview, your earning and payout information, total paid, previous. This is because I have not yet started working. This was the previous pay rate, $0.1 per minute. But you can see 2x standard room surge pricing, the price will double, and it will go from 0.1 to 0.2 pay period. The next payment period will be on Sunday, February 7. Payout processed on the 7th and 21st of each month. Requirements of payment: training completed, payment method configured, work completed. So I'll create a video after completing this training so that I can get paid. Requirements for payment: training completed, payment method configured, and work completed. All work is subject to quality review. Payments are processed by monthly. And if you have any question or want to learn more about Atlas, you can join their Discord for support. Payment method: they offer two types of payment. You can use crypto or Wise. Crypto is the fastest. Wise takes 2 to 5 days. So once you put your crypto address here, your USDT or USDC wallet here, you will be able to receive your payment. So this is where you give feedback, disputes if you have any. So guys, I think Atlas is an account worth trying, because it's hiring Africans. It does not discriminate. I know you may be wondering the pay is low, but the day we started it was paying $2.5 an hour. That's about $0.04 per minute, and right now I can see the price will soon be $0.2 per minute. That's about $12 an hour, and that's a lot of money. Bearing in mind we are in Africa, our bills are not quite like the Western countries. So it's an account worth trying before they start imposing strict rules on what to do things. Guys, that was my review on Atlas. It's a nice account to try. The link is on the description below. So kindly like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you. Till next time, goodbye.